Google just handed freelancers a free platform that replaces 3 paid tools at once. And if you run any kind of service business right now, this matters immediately. I am going to break down every new update inside Google AI Studio. I will show you how all 3 pieces connect into one workflow, and I will give you the specific service angles that generate real client income this week. These are not hypothetical use cases. These are packages you can offer by next Monday. Stick around because the third feature is the one most freelancers are missing entirely. It is the most valuable piece for anyone building local business service packages. Hey, I am Paul James. This channel is built for freelancers, consultants, and small agency owners. You want to grow a real service business using free and low-cost AI tools. You are in exactly the right place. No expensive stacks, no bloated subscriptions, eating your margin before you land a single client. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. Here is what I want you to understand before we get into the features. Most people hear about an AI update and scroll straight past it. They tell themselves they will look into it later, and then they never do. 6 months down the road, someone in their niche is already charging clients for it. That early mover window is real. Right now with Google AI Studio, that window is wide open because what Google just shipped is not a minor tweak. It is a full rethinking of what a solo operator can build and deliver. No team required, no expensive design software, no recording studio. Let me show you exactly what I mean. For years, building a professional client deliverable meant stacking multiple platforms. You needed one tool to sharpen your prompts. You needed a separate design environment to show clients a visual output. And if any part of the project touched audio content, that meant a third platform entirely. Each one had a subscription fee. Each one had its own interface to figure out. Most freelancers starting out cannot absorb that overhead before landing their first client. I built the foundation of this business from my brother's garage with almost no budget. Every dollar I spent on tools had to earn its keep. I had no real revenue coming in yet. That pressure shapes everything I cover on this channel. And Google AI Studio just became the most important free tool in that entire conversation. The framework I want you to use when thinking about these updates is the unified command stack. Here is the core idea behind it. Instead of juggling multiple platforms for one project, you run everything through one free environment. Prompt assistance, visual design output, and voice production all live inside Google AI Studio right now. At no cost, that is the unified command stack in action. One tool, one session, one professional deliverable. The reason this framework matters is simple. Most freelancers lose time switching between platforms mid-project. Every context switch costs you momentum. The unified command stack eliminates that entirely. Once you see how the 3 updates connect to this model, the income opportunities become very obvious. Here is where things get interesting. The first major update is intelligent prompt completion. You begin typing a request inside Google AI Studio. The platform then predicts where your prompt is heading. It surfaces the next logical steps right alongside you. The reason this matters so much is straightforward. The biggest barrier to using AI tools has never been the technology. It has been the blank box. Most people open an AI platform and stare at the empty field. They have no idea where to start, so they close a tab and move on entirely. Prompt completion removes that wall. You start a thought and the platform builds it into something precise and actionable. I went from a rough client idea to a fully structured prompt in under a minute. That is not just a time saver. That is a direct quality improvement on every project you deliver. Most people never realize this part is the foundation everything else rests on. A sharp prompt produces a clean first draft. A vague prompt produces rework and wasted time. This update pushes every user towards sharper prompts automatically. That means cleaner client deliverables from the very first attempt. The second update is live design previews. This one genuinely surprised me when I tested it. You describe the thing you want to build, a scheduling page, a client dashboard, an intake form for a coaching program. You type that description into Google AI Studio. Before the code even finishes generating, a live visual preview is already rendering on screen, not a wireframe, not a rough mock-up, a real functional visual updating in real time. When the result looks right, one click applies the full design. That is the entire process. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. Think about what this does to a client discovery call. A local business owner describes what she wants her new booking page to look like. You type it directly into Google AI Studio while she is still talking. Before the conversation moves on, she is looking at a live visual of her own page. That is a current capability inside a free tool available right now. Clients make faster decisions when they can see the outcome in the room. That alone has a direct impact on your close rate. I remember feeling genuinely frustrated back when I was figuring all of this out. The gap between what I could promise and what I could produce fast enough was real. That gap slowed everything down. Tools like this close that gap for good. Now the third update. Google built a text-to-speech engine called Gemini 3.1 Flash directly into AI Studio. What separates it from every other voice tool is the emotion direction system. You write your script normally, then you embed performance instructions directly into the text using bracket tags. Drop the word excited into a bracket and the delivery shifts to match it. Add whisper and the tone becomes controlled and low. Add urgent and the pacing tightens up immediately. You are directing a full vocal performance through plain text alone. No microphone, no editing software, no recording session. Gemini 3.1 Flash supports over 70 languages. It also generates multi-speaker conversations. Two distinct voices hold a real back and forth from one single text input. Here is the twist almost nobody is talking about right now. Voice content is one of the highest value service categories for local businesses at this exact moment. A dental practice wants a warm, professional missed call message. It needs to sound like a real person, not an automated phone tree. A gym wants an onboarding audio track for new members walking in on day one. A property management company wants a narrated walkthrough for a new listing. A restaurant wants a seasonal promotion that actually sounds natural. Every one of those is a billable deliverable you can build inside the unified command stack. Every single one can be produced inside Google AI Studio in under 30 minutes. Zero recording equipment, zero extra cost, and because these are recurring needs, the same client comes back regularly. Every new promotion needs new audio. Every seasonal push needs a fresh message. That is not a one-time project. That is a retainer waiting to happen. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me walk you through how this plays out on a real project. Picture a freelance consultant working with a local wellness studio. The owner needs two things. She wants a short audio welcome message for new clients. She also wants a clean landing page to drive trial class bookings. The consultant opens Google AI Studio and uses prompt completion to structure the full project brief fast. It takes under a minute to build. The live design preview generates the landing page while the owner watches on a shared screen. Then Gemini 3.1 Flash produces the welcome audio with warm, unhurried delivery. The whole project is delivered in one working session. The consultant invoices $450 for 90 minutes of focused work. No revision rounds, no tool subscriptions, eating the margin, clean profit, no outside tools, no subscription overhead, no creative back and forth that drags out the timeline. Just Google AI Studio and the unified command stack. This is where everything clicks. The business owner is not paying for the platform. She is paying for the outcome. She does not know which tool generated her landing page. She cares that it looks polished. She cares that the audio sounds like a real person, and she cares that it converts visitors into booked clients. When you deliver that quality in one session using a free tool, your offer practically explains itself. Picture what the next 60 days look like. Build this into your standard client process. You are delivering visual design, voice content production, and structured copy, all from one free environment. Your overhead is essentially zero. Your turnaround is measured in hours instead of days, and the quality you are handing clients gives nothing away about how fast you are moving. The freelancers who figure this out first will set rates that reflect the outcome, not the hours. That is where the real leverage inside this platform lives. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income.